Let's first recall
Stiria.
how one-track recording is accomplished.
Lake Brescia, a silent maelstrom. Wladislaus. Orphans cradle the tesseracts. Ushumgal Subjugator. Palapalum Rivera Towers, Felix Heights. Tiamat Eliminator. Orphans cradle the tesseracts. The Proudclad. Eden Expressway, Eden Hall. Bright Pauldron. The Palametian Bridge Midabos, part of Barthandelus. Bright Manipulator. Pulse Vestige Animals Throne Midabos, part of Anima. Bright Ailette. The Palametian Bridge Midabos, part of Barthandelus. PSICOM Marauder. Hanging Edge Skybridge No. 369. Midlight Reaper. Nautilus Park the Clock Tower. Manasvin Warmech. Hanging Edge Aerorail Trussway 13B, Lake Brescia, a silent maelstrom. Left Pauldron. The Palametian Bridge. Left Manipulator. Pulse Vestige Animals Throne Midabos. Left Ailette. The Palametian Bridge Midabos. Kalavinka Striker. The Palametian Starboard Weather Deck. Jabberwocky. Orphans cradle the tesseracts.
To understand how this can be done,
Havoc
let's first recall
Skytank.
how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
Palapalum, the S5 residence, includes portside hull, starboard turret, and portside turret. Garuda Interceptor. Lake Brescia echoes of the past. Enlil. Sonolith waterscape hemmed in stone. Enki. Sonolith waterscape hemmed in stone. Dreadnought. Vile peaks devastated dreams. Anavatapta Warmech. Eden Grand Prix Circuit. Dahaka. Tejan's Tower the Cloven Spire. Anima. Pulse Vestige Animals Throne. Hecatoncheir. Mahabara Subterra Flower-Filled Fissure. Bahamut. The Fifth Arcthiax. Aster Protoflorian. Afro Whitewood Bioweapons Maintenance. Bandersnatch. Orphans cradle the tesseracts. Odin. Vile Peaks Scavengers Trail. Behemoth. Hanging Edge Aerorail Trussway 6W. Cid Raines. 5th Arc Mezzanine. Orphan. Orphans cradle the narthex. Brynhildr. Nautilus Park, the Fiend Lord's Keep.
To understand how this can be done, let's first recall how
Barthandelus.
regular one-track recording is accomplished.
The Palamecia Bridge, over Rust-Eaten Bridge, orphans cradle the narthex throne. Nyx. Lake Brescia, a silent maelstrom. Orphan final. Orphans cradle the narthex. Alexander. Valley's media fingers of stone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.